My name is I'm the JP Shaper. I've been with the brand right from the beginning and developed all the boards: wave, freestyle, freeride and race boards. And now with the foil boards we have a new challenge which is very exciting.
Hello, my name is Sebastian Kornum. I come from Denmark and I've been windsurfing for probably 15 years. During my career I've been very focused on racing, especially formula racing. But last year, in the beginning of 2016, I started foiling also. And I really liked it from the very beginning. And ever since then I worked together with Ветра on developing the 135 liter hydrofoil board. And I'm just really happy with the result we got. It came out really well. The 135 could be called an all-round foil board. It makes foiling easy and accessible for everyone who wants to experience the feeling of flying over the water. It has a shape that suits all levels, from beginner to professional. It has a very wide wind range and you can also use it with a normal fin. It feels like a shorter and wider version of a super sport and is almost as fast.
The Hydrofoil 135 is 215 by 86 centimeters, so it has a compact design. It features a wide tail and a parallel outline. The even nose rocker combined with a soft tuck line in the front make the board very forgiving when the nose comes down on the water. This is essential, as many beginners tend to nosedive. The special nose does not dig into the water, but will lift you back up once you touch the water and you will keep flying. The volume distribution is very even, to give the 135 great balance when you're up in the air, and a good glide before the board lifts out of the water. The rail shape in the standing area is also different to standard slalom and freeride boards, and allows a more upright stance when foiling.
The board is much easier to use for foiling than normal slalom boards or freeride boards. It offers a comfortable stance and enough leverage to create the necessary lift to make the board fly. Compared to our 155, the 135 has a slightly bigger range in higher winds. The nose stays lower when flying, so the board is therefore easier to control.
We developed the 155 in cooperation with the Neil Bright design team. It's a high-performance foil board with an extra wide tail, providing a large planing surface and good leverage to lift the board up. In combination with the Neil Bright RS Flight foils, this board allows you to use bigger sails and will start flying in almost no wind. The high-angle tail cutouts are designed to minimize drag during occasional tail touchdowns.
For deep downwind courses, there is an additional set of straps in the center of the tail. You will stand closer to the center of the foil and further back to control your flight over the chop. In the nose area, the board has V-angled bevels which soften the occasional touchdowns and prevent catapults. With 220 x 90 cm, the 155 is quite a bit bigger than the 135 and is obviously slightly more oriented towards lighter winds and upwind sailing.
Both boards come with a special reinforced tuttle box. The box also fits normal tuttle or deep tuttle fins. Therefore the boards can also be used for normal windsurfing.
Hello, my name is Julien Bontemps, I'm from France. I've been windsurfing in Olympic class since 20 years, and I did a medal in Beijing in 2008, a silver medal, and I did also 4-time world champion in Olympic class. And since last year, in 2016, I started foiling, and I enjoy a lot this new sport and the new feeling of foiling. The 155, I think it's a very good board in the light wind, and also works very well in the strong wind, in my opinion. And we can use on this board bigger sails as well, and I think it's a very good thing for the light wind again. It's a very good board for going upwind and downwind, because for example in the strong wind we can use the chicken strap on this board. About the 135, I think it's a good all-around board, a little bit better than in the strong wind than the 155, I think. This board reacts quicker to full steering, and I think in general it's a very good board.